So I've already started off by moisturising, and now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And I'm mostly just going to focus that on my cheeks, just around here, around my nose. Now I'm going in with the Australis Highlights Mineral Face Highlighter in gold. So it's gold. So I'm just using that to help create a real glow from within kind of look, real glassy kind of skin. And next I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth in 120 Ivory. And I love this because it gives you, it just looks really fresh and you look hydrated and just glowy. And I'm just putting that on with my Revlon sponge. And we're not going for like a full coverage look as such, but it just, I guess it just like melds with your skin and gives you more of like a skin-like look. More of a no makeup, more of a no makeup look. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer, and I'm going in with the Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser as well. It's the male person. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Concealer more to highlight, and I'm going to use the other one to help blend it out seamlessly. And then I'm going to use this one here just to go in here so it blends nicely. We don't want a harsh look. Spot concealer there. And just for some more coverage on my forehead. And just taking what's left on that just over our eyelids. Just because we want that bright look, and that's going to help be an eyeshadow primer. Now I'm just going to set under my eyes with the Australis Banana Powder. Just on a big tapered fluffy brush. And just on my eyelids. I'm just taking the Revlon Sun-Kissed Bronzer. This one gets a lot of use by me. It's one I always go back to. I just want to be nice and bronze. Now time for blush, and I'm taking the Milani Blush Baked Blush in Coralina. This is beautiful, this one, I love it. It's so pigmented. You really only need a little bit, and we're just going for that really fresh, romantic looking skin, I guess. And then I'm just going to tap it in. So I'm taking the highlighter by Milani called Summer Glow. It's just a really beautiful one. And like if I swatch this on my skin, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like the most beautiful sheen ever. Now I'm going to do brows really quickly and then we'll do eyes. Just quickly did my eyebrows off camera and now we're going to get onto the eyes, and I want to do something just really golden and bronzy, and I'm going to be using the Kali Bybao Deluxe palette, Deluxe Edition palette. I don't think you can get this anymore, but if you have any similar shades to what's in here then you'll be fine. The first shade that I'm going to go in with on a fluffy brush is this one just here. And I'm taking this through my crease as my transition. Now I'm going in with a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to take this more so in the crease and the outer V. Now I'm going to go in with this brown here, and I'm just going to use it on the same little blending brush, and I'm just going to get it on the tip, and now I'm just putting it in this outer bit and blending it back into my crease. And just building that colour up. So now I'm going to go in with this bronze colour here over the lid of my eye. And the payoff of these shadows is really good. And just blend out any harsh edges. So now to finish the eye off, we've got it really nice and bronze and it looks beautiful and bright. We're going to go in just with this shade here, just on that brush. Just using that shade just to smoke out the lower lash line. Now on the brush that we used for the bronzy colour on the lid, I'm just going to take the highlighter again, and I'm just going to do the inner corners with that. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use the BH Bliss Lash Mascara just on top and bottom. So for the lips, I'm just going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Lip Liner in Rain. And then I'm going to follow that up by going in with their lip gloss in Pixelated. It's a really metallic one. It's so beautiful. I really want to try it. Oh my god, I love that colour. It looks so pretty with all the nude tones and all the bronzes. So lastly, I'm going in with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. And I'm going to put a lot of this on. I love setting spray. So I love using setting spray. It just helps all the powders melt into the liquid foundation, and that's how you get such a like dewy look without being all cakey and So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you have any constructive criticism or anything you want to say, put it in the comments. Thank you. Bye.